Here's how to factory reset your Roku streaming device. Keep in mind that performing a factory reset is going to completely reset your Roku device to like it's brand new. It's going to completely reset all the settings and preferences on that device, and it's going to unlink it from your Roku account. So to get started from the home screen here, you just want to go ahead and scroll up one time and select Settings. Then again, here in your settings, you want to press up one time and select System. Then in this menu, you want to find Advanced System Settings and select that. Now here you should see an option that says something like Factory Reset or Factory Reset Everything, and you're also going to get this numpad here on the side with a code. So if you're ready to factory reset, go ahead and enter in the code here at the bottom into the numpad. Once you enter in that code, you're going to get this confirmation page here to start your factory reset. And like it says here at the top, once you do this reset, you're going to need to pair your remote and other devices back to the Roku. So that's pretty much it. If this video ended up helping you, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated.